Hi, this is Michael Neer, an immigration lawyer and founder of VisaPlace.com. So the latest news in entertainment is that Chris Brown, the R&B rapper, 25 years old, was denied entry to Canada. He was coming to Canada to perform in Montreal and in Toronto, and was recently denied entry, most likely because of his past criminal history. He was charged with assault and failed to meet the terms and conditions of his probation in 2014. The most notorious offense was his alleged assault against pop singer Rihanna. So here we have a celebrity coming to Canada to perform and being denied entry at the port of entry. This happens a lot. Celebrities are not immune to the law, and regular folks will also have trouble crossing into Canada if they have a criminal past. So what do you do? What does Chris Brown do? Well, he's going to have to apply for a temporary resident permit at least, and his publicist, I believe, has said that he'll be returning to Canada, and I assume that that's going to be after a TRP, a temporary resident permit, application will be applied for. Now, as an American, he could apply for a TRP at the border right away, and if it's approved, he'd be admitted. Or the alternative is to apply at a Canadian consulate and wait for the processing. However, that could take a number of months. Now, Mr. Brown's offenses are fairly new. The recent one in 2014, and then with Rihanna, I believe, was 2013. So he has to make a case that if he's going to enter Canada and be here, he will not be. There won't be a risk for him to offend or reoffend while he's in the country, and that the risks don't outweigh the positives, the reasons for his entry. I think he'll succeed. I think he's probably learned his lesson with respect to what happened in the past, hopefully. A lot of ticket holders for his concerts are disappointed, and understandably so. So anyway, lesson learned, that if you have a criminal record, you should, before attempting to come to Canada, inquire about applying for a temporary resident permit, because that may be what you need to cross into Canada. So we'll see what happens with Chris Brown. Thank you for watching. My name is Michael Neer, immigration lawyer, founder of VisaPlace.com, and join us at www.visaplace.com.